Yours is like that, no?
I do mine a certain way.
Remember, I want that stain in my background.
Are you happy to put up the lights, Chopper? Don't eat them. You'll die. Don't eat them.
You
You'll
can
die.
make me a layout with that stain?
Yeah.
How you gonna do it? Copy and paste it? But I can't copy and paste it.
Just save the thing you want. I'll do it. Don't throw my Christmas lights, you bastard. Here, look.
I put it on my page. Just save it to my page?
Just save it to my computer and I'll do it when I get done. Just click save background. Look, baby. Oh. Say hi. No, you be nice. Say hi. Say hi.
Save as, because you can't save.
Say hi.